Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode.
Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Economies of scale is an economic principle in which the cost of delivering a product goes down as the volume goes up. Over the life of a product, the cost per unit should decrease. For startups, this means the cost to build your product should go down as you ramp up sales. Economies of scale can come from reduced cost of materials as a startup purchases higher volumes. It can also come from deploying technology tools and spreading that cost over more units or customers. And there are also financial benefits. As a startup grows larger, it can raise funding or take on loans at a lower rate. Economies of scale can help the company grow to a larger size. It can also help increase profits. Customers should see lower prices and better products. Employees should see higher wages. It's important to plan for economies of scale and build it into the business model. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us something today.
Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.